How to find your order using Macy's order lookup. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's website and scroll down to the bottom. Here, click on order lookup at the bottom. After you click on order lookup at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down and you'll find lookup and order. Now, enter your order number. After you have added your order number, add your email address or phone number. Then press on view order, and after that, if your order number is right, you'll find your order status, or you'll find where your order is. And this is how to find your order using Macy's order lookup. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.